Myself Chandramouli Moria, or I am discussing the solution of NIT UG Bio Paper 2013. Paper code is W and the question number 108. हम यहाँ क्वेश्चन नंबर 108 डिस्कस कर रहे हैं. एक बहुत ही अच्छा और कंसेप्चुअल ये क्वेश्चन है. इट इज बेस्ड ऑन द कंसेप्ट ऑफ द ऑक्सीडेशन एंड द सेल रेस्पिरेशन. हियर द क्वेश्चन इज the three boxes in this diagram represent the three major biosynthetic pathways in aerobic respiration. Arrows represents net reactant or product. Arrow numbered 8, 4 and 12 can all be. This is a very good question which is based on the concept of the cell respiration. First one, we have to understand these three pathways. The pathway 1 is actually glycolysis, the pathway 2 is actually Krebs cycle, and the pathway 3 is actually the mitochondrial electron transport system. The different arrow and different numbers which representing the arrow represent the different reactants and products produced during these pathways, means the glycolysis, Krebs cycle and ETS. Arrow, for example, the arrow 2 represents the pyruvic acid, which is the product of the glycolysis, which enters into the Krebs cycle. So, the arrow 2 represents the product of glycolysis, pyruvic acid. Arrow 1, 5 are fat and proteins. This is arrow 1 and this is arrow 5. So, other respiratory substrates like the protein, like the fat enter either from the glycolysis or from the Krebs cycle. For example, the amino acid glycine, serine, cysteine enters from the glycolysis, or the product of oxidation of glycerol, PGAL, DHAP enters from the glycolysis for the oxidation. Similarly, the acetyl coenzyme A produced by the oxidation of the fatty acids enters from the Krebs cycle. So the arrow 1 and 5 represents the other respiratory substrates like the fat and proteins. The arrow 3, 6, 7, 9 and 10 represents the product of oxidation, that is NADH2 and FADH2, or the reduced coenzymes. Actually, the reactions of oxidations during this pathway may be glycolysis, may be Krebs cycles, are catalyzed by the enzyme dehydrogenase, and the product of oxidations are the NADH2 and FADH2, which are the reduced coenzymes, and these reduced coenzymes are terminally oxidized at the mitochondrial ETS. So, the reduced coenzymes NADH2 and FADH2 are represented by the arrows 3, 6, 7, 9 and 10. This one going to for the terminal oxidation in the ETS. 9, 10 are also the NADH2, FADH2 which undergoes for the terminal oxidation at the ETS. In this question, the arrow 4, 8 and 12 are. The arrow 4, 8 and 12 are the ATP produced. The ATP produced during glycolysis by substrate level phosphorylation, the ATP produced during the Krebs cycle by substrate level phosphorylation, and the ATP, the 12 arrow represents the ATP produced during the mitochondrial electron transport system by the oxidative phosphorylation. So, the correct answer of this question is option second, ATP, means the arrow 4, 8 and 12 represents the ATP. So, the correct answer is ATP. Thank you very much.